Hey friends, a workbook on Excel has multiple sheets. So we call it an Excel sheet whenever we are working on Excel, but it is actually called an Excel workbook. And what we call sheets are these tabs at the bottom. Now, if you cannot see these sheets, then here's what you can do. Click on File and then select Options and then select Advanced and then scroll down to this option which reads display options for this workbook, and there's something which says show sheet tabs. If it is unchecked, see what happens. You won't see the sheets. So here's what you have to do. Return to the same page. Okay. And then make sure that this is checked. Okay. And now the sheets will appear. So this is how sheets will appear on your workbook. But here's one more thing that you can do. Click on File, select Options, go to Add-ins. See, we have COM add-ins here. Click on Go, check all of these, remove them. Okay, this is how you can fix this problem if it was caused due to an external extension. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.